It's sheer joy sailing the Norwegian way from Montego Bay. Yes, it's a total getaway. Ladies and gentlemen, it's just bliss. Okay, enough of that. You know we love all things Norwegian. But today we're going to talk a little bit more about the beautiful Norwegian joy taken to the seas from Montego Bay every Saturday. You're just going to love it. Just a little bit of detail before we go into the presentation. This is a fully vaccinated sailing. So for our clients, you will need to have 2 shots of the AstraZeneca vaccine or the one of Johnson & Johnson no closer than 2 weeks prior to sailing. Additionally, you will have a COVID test that will be done as a part of your check-in process at the pier in Montego Bay. Additionally, you will require no U.S. visas sailing from Jamaica, as we will be calling on non-visa required territories. But as a matter of fact, for sailings that will not remain more than 72 hours in a territory, no visas are required unless specifically stipulated. Our sailings will depart on a Saturday. August the 7th is a Saturday. Final sailing will be October the 9th. And the countries that we will be visiting include the private island Harvest Key in Belize. We'll also be going to Ocho Rios. I mean, why not? That's on the final day. And in between Harvest Key or Harvest Key, depending on how you say it, and Ocho Rios, we will be visiting Cozumel as well as Roatan, Honduras. Wonderful situation, wonderful setup. Can't wait to do the go-kart at sea. Walking the plank is not for me, but that is another adventure waiting to happen. But they will tell you a little bit more, as they, from Norwegian, they know exactly how to do it. Take a listen.
Welcome to Norwegian's Breakaway Plus class, where every venue from bow to stern was carefully planned to provide guests with an elevated cruising experience. Thrilling activities, delicious cuisine, incredible entertainment, and so much more. Discover why these 4,000 passenger ships are among our most popular, with endless activities for action and relaxation. Did you know there are 3 ways to zoom out over the side of the ship? On the racetrack, ocean loops, and the plank. Step into a world of excitement in our Thrillplex activity zones, where smiles come in all sizes with family-friendly activities. Norwegian's 2-level racetracks are an industry first and an exclusive experience you will only find on Norwegian. So get ready to feel the exhilaration and sea breeze as you race family and friends with the ocean as your backdrop. Also on the top deck is where you can team up with fellow cruisers for a friendly game of laser tag under the stars. The Galaxy Pavilion offers a virtual world unlike any other, with the immersive Dark Ride 7D and other out-of-this-world virtual games and experiences. Our multi-level ropes courses are the largest at sea, with 40 elements and the chance for guests to walk the plank, which extends 8 feet over the side of the ship. Or splash around our aqua park with Free Fall, the fastest water slides at sea, and enjoy some friendly competition on the Aqua Racer. Then slow it down, way down, reclining poolside. Roll into good times at the casino, which offers a wide selection of slots and table games, including Texas Hold'em, poker, blackjack, and craps. Then take your winnings and splurge a little in our high-end boutiques and duty-free shops. So what sets Norwegian's dining experience apart? Thanks to the freedom of no fixed dining times or pre-assigned seating, guests have the flexibility to enjoy more dining options than days of their cruise. Discover a diverse lineup of complimentary and specialty dining options and unique bars and lounges that offer something for everyone. Serving a wide variety of culinary delights, our complimentary dining options include 3 main dining rooms: Taste, Savor, and the Manhattan Room, where the menus change daily. We also offer a variety of casual cafes, grills, and on-the-go choices. Or feel free to reserve a seat at a specialty restaurant. Experience fine seafood-inspired cuisine at Bayamo or Ocean Blue. Savor superb French fare at Le Bistro or premium Black Angus beef at Cagney's Steakhouse. Enjoy the sizzles in the show at our Japanese hibachi teppanyaki, a guest favorite. Uncork a bottle of wine with your Italian meal at La Cucina or Onda by Scarpetta. Or dig into some delicious barbecue at Q Texas Smokehouse. But if you want to start with dessert, we won't stand in your way. Indulge in rich gelato at Dolce Gelato, chocolate delights at Coco's, or baked goods at the Bake Shop. Or guests can jumpstart their mornings with their favorite beverage, or enjoy an afternoon treat at the onboard full-service Starbucks. And for front row seats to incredible vistas, pull up a chair or stool on the waterfront, our quarter-mile oceanfront promenade. Lined with a variety of bars, lounges, and restaurants, guests can savor picture-perfect views and starlit evenings while dining or sipping cocktails. Enjoy a favorite vintage at the Cellars, a Michael Mondavi family wine bar. Grab a freshly muddled mojito at Sugarcane Mojito Bar. Kick back in the District Brew House, offering more than 50 different bottled beers and 24 draft beers on tap. Or enjoy good conversations over a pour at Malting's Whiskey Bar. Soak in the beautiful views from our 180-degree observation lounge and toast colorful sunsets with a favorite cocktail from the full-service bar. Or step outside and catch some sun at our adult-only spaces, Vibe Beach Club and Spice H2O. Available on most Breakaway Plus class ships. With so many bars and lounges to discover throughout 678 Ocean Place, the heart of the ship, you can enjoy cocktails, conversations, and live music with friends. Or find your favorite place to meet up for a drink before or after a show. Top off spectacular days with legendary nights on board with incredible entertainment. Don't miss Six, the sellout award-winning musical that has taken the theater world by storm, with the 6 wives of Henry VIII taking to the mic to tell their side of history. From Kinky Boots, a 6-time Tony Award winner and exclusively at sea aboard Norwegian, to Footloose, featuring the hit music of Grammy Award-winning artist Kenny Loggins, come experience the best of Broadway at sea with Norwegian. Raise a glass to high-energy dancing and hit songs in this rockin' English pub. Or journey to the famous Liverpool nightclub where the Beatles played at the Cavern Club. It's showtime all the time with Norwegian. Kids of all ages can find their happy place thanks to our complimentary youth programs, Splash Academy and Entourage. Along with our well-trained staff, children will experience a wide range of exciting activities with kids their own age, from dodgeball and cupcake decorating to themed parties. Supervised group sitting is available on port days and also in the evening. Teens have their own place to hang out at Entourage. From movies and art to music, video games, and parties, they will have a blast. Welcome to Mandara Spa. Start with a hot stone massage, one of over 50 specialty treatments offered by our well-trained massage therapists. Then unwind in the thermal suite with a steam or a dip in the vitality pool. Within these tranquil walls, experience the salt room, a dramatic grotto surrounded with layers of body-cleansing salt crystals. Want to keep your morning routine? Don't sweat it. From our state-of-the-art fitness center to yoga to a jogging track beside the sea, there are many ways to get your workout in. Norwegian offers a wide range of staterooms to match most every travel style. Hidden away at the top of the ship is The Haven by Norwegian, an exclusive enclave accessible by private keycard with our most luxurious and well-appointed accommodations. Haven guests can bask in tranquility in the Haven courtyard with a private pool and sun deck and enjoy unparalleled personal service of a certified butler and concierge, all while being just steps from everything our ships offer. Plus, they can enjoy exclusive access to the Haven Restaurant and Horizon Lounge. Our club balcony suites and balcony staterooms offer dramatic, ever-changing views from private balconies. All feature comfortable sitting areas, convertible and/or Pullman beds, and plenty of storage space with the option for connecting staterooms. Norwegian also offers a wide range of comfortable and well-designed ocean view and inside staterooms and award-winning studios designed and priced for solo travelers, which include access to the studio lounge. Bringing your crew? We have lots of options for families. All of our ships have family club suites, balconies, and more, including The Haven, 2-bedroom family villas with balconies, as well as many interconnecting staterooms located near the kids area, so your little ones are just a hop, skip, and a jump away. With Norwegian's group programs, you can plan an unforgettable, picture-perfect event or celebration at sea. Think outside traditional meeting rooms or even outside the building with our unique and flexible onboard spaces. Reserve a specialty restaurant located on our waterfront oceanside promenade or at an expansive outdoor top-deck lounge or theater for a memorable conference. Onboard activities and optional private excursions provide the ultimate team-building experiences, while incredible nighttime entertainment ensures there's never a dull moment at sea. Or celebrate a special occasion with family and friends, whether an anniversary, wedding, milestone birthday, or family reunion, while cruising to incredible destinations. Planning a memorable group event at sea is a breeze with Norwegian. Our knowledgeable team will assist you every step of the way, and once on board, a dedicated group coordinator will ensure your event is smooth sailing from beginning to end. Whether guests are looking for exhilaration, relaxation, or a little of both, Norwegian's Breakaway Plus class ships make each day at sea incredible while cruising to amazing destinations worldwide.